How to fix Share My Location not working on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Here we go. Over here you will find this option of Airplane Mode. Toggle it on. Now wait for a minimum of 60 seconds and then toggle it off. Likewise, scroll down. Here towards the option of Privacy and Security, open it. Now here you're going to find this option of Location Services. Open this option. Enable for this option of Location Services. Then you can head back to the main page of settings. At the very top, you will find your Apple ID. If you're not signed in with the Apple ID, you have to log in with your Apple ID. Once you do that, your problem will be fixed. Heading towards next solution, at the very top, you'll find the search box. Over there, type in Find My. Once you see this option, Find My iPhone, open it. Now click on this option of Find My iPhone. Enable for all these options. Find My iPhone, likewise Find My Network, send last location, and then hit back. Toggle on for the option of Share My Location. After you customize all these settings, your problem will be fixed. Now you can give a fresh restart to your iPhone. For that, hit back, go to the main page of settings, then scroll down, navigate to the option of General, scroll all the way down, click on Shut Down. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. After you turn off your phone, wait for a minimum of 60 seconds, toggle it on, and you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. Well, this way you can easily fix Share My Location not working in iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.